Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today we're looking at Planyway, found at planyway.com. This powerful tool integrates directly with Trello, Asana, and Jira, transforming your boards and tasks into a comprehensive calendar view. Planyway effectively bridges the gap between project management and scheduling, allowing you to visualize your workload and deadlines in a clear and concise manner. This integration allows for seamless synchronization, keeping your projects and calendar aligned. No more switching between applications. Planyway offers a range of features designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. From drag-and-drop scheduling and task dependencies to team collaboration and progress tracking, Planyway empowers you to manage your projects more efficiently. Imagine effortlessly moving tasks around on your calendar, establishing clear links between dependent activities, and keeping everyone on the same page with shared project timelines. This can significantly improve team communication and ensure projects stay on track. The visual nature of the calendar view provides an invaluable overview of your commitments, helping you identify potential bottlenecks and adjust your schedule accordingly. This enhanced visibility empowers you to proactively manage your time and resources, preventing conflicts and optimizing your workflow. Whether you're managing a small team or juggling multiple complex projects, Planyway's intuitive interface and robust features offer a compelling solution for staying organized and on top of your deadlines. With a variety of views, including daily, weekly, and monthly calendars, you can customize your perspective to suit your specific needs. This flexibility ensures that whether you're focusing on the immediate tasks or the bigger picture, you have the right tools at your fingertips. Explore planyway.com today and discover how this versatile tool can revolutionize your project management process.